double delta NQ on the 4.
Welcome aboard, everyone. And why do our traders absolutely love it? Michael Oates room. Are you ready indeed? Good morning, everybody. Let's go. If this is your first time with us, you've been missing out. My name is Vinny Emini. I will be your host here this morning. I'm going to go Control R here, remove all drawing objects from prior days. I had a few trades there this morning already. I had to work on the MACV Ultimate server there for a few things there this morning. And while I was doing that, there were a couple of trades in there that were pretty awesome. We had an Enigma long here this morning. And then I grabbed this DCR short right here, up 3,800 already this morning off of just 2 plays. Not too shabby. Let's see. We've got full auto items turned on across the boards as well, and they've put down a few dollars as well there this morning. Got an early start. Sorry I didn't get on the live stream quite yet. Hopped downstairs to get a coffee and had some fun conversations there with the fam there this morning. And how's everybody doing? Good morning, good morning. We've got our 10-year anniversary sale on right now. We've got it through Friday. We started last Friday. It is 1 week. So make sure you guys check that out. It is I mean, you know, sometimes you're like, this is the greatest ever. This is literally the greatest sale we've ever done, ever. And we've done this one other time, literally in year number 1. So just for fun, we've brought it back to the price point from 10 years ago when the tool sets, we had Fibella Dot, 2-finger salute, maybe a few other things. I can't remember what else was in the pack at that time, but full mentorship came along with that, and it was 10-10 in year number 1. And yeah, don't tell anybody. It's at 10-10 right now for lifetime. It's insane. As long as there are seats, there are only 100 seats. Opened it up last Friday. A lot of you guys joined. Welcome aboard to all the new folks. Great to have you with us. Share it with a friend. Don't forget, the affiliate program is currently through November up to 25% for your conversions. What does that mean? That means you send a friend, you're getting 25% of whatever they get. Welcome aboard. And we do have a 2-week free trial. So if you are brand new and seeing this for the first time, everything that you're going to see here this morning through the afternoon is available for complete trial, fully unlocked. Let's get these reset here. Starting a new day, 5 trades to get going here. Now, if you have not gone through our training program, make sure you hit up at least the 8-day boot camp. Now, it's not actually 8 days. We originally did 8 days, and those are obviously recorded and are available there on our website currently for free, not behind a paywall. The first 2 videos are completely cutted. Did I say cutted? They're completely edited and cut. So they're basically in their final form. However, 3 through 8 still working through getting those cut in their final editions. Once those cuts are completed, those will be behind a paywall. So go get it while it's free, literally just on our website. No logins, no nothing. Like, we get this a lot. We're like, well, where's my login? You mean you're telling me I'll just get this for free? Yep, you just get it for free. I want our traders to succeed. Welcome aboard. Click on the website and click on training and go to town. Eddie's got a link there for you and the chat. You can also download the 2-week free trial. We do not spam you. Some people say, well, I didn't get another email. I didn't get another... I designed this company the way that I would want to do it if it were me. I don't like to be bothered by email. What do you guys think? Do you guys want more emails? I'm actually up for that. Yeah, I'm not trying to push you guys into my theory. Sometimes I'm wrong. Sometimes, like, I'm hearing more and more that some people kind of want more emails. So if you think that we should be communicating more via email, I think maybe I'm too fond of Discord. Discord just has it's so easy to communicate there with sharing screenshots and announcing for live streams and sharing content. And
On the 4.
I think one level categories is a great idea. That it's complex but not overly complex. I love its simplicity and the ability to kind of sync everywhere. Sync it to your phone, sync it to your computer, and have everybody's chat all in the same place. If someone else asks a question, might trigger something in you so that you're like, oh, I had that question too. Or, hey, that's a good thought. Or, hey, that's a great idea. Discord's awesome. I have enough unopened emails to share with anyone who needs or yes. I don't want to count my unopened. Oh, I just glanced over at it. Oh my word. Does anybody have more than me? Let's go ahead and play that number. I have 149,515 unopened emails. And I'm probably like, I don't believe it. All right, I'm gonna... I'm going to screenshot this so you know this is not made up. I'll post it in the Discord. I hope somebody has more than me. 149,515 unread. Posting a screenshot in the public chat in Discord from my Outlook. 150, basically 150,000 emails unread. So maybe that's just me. Maybe you are super organized and don't need to divide up everything by categories and prioritize and all that kind of whatnot. Good to you. 9,000 unopened, 9,000 as well. So 9,000 is a good common one. Awesome. Now I know how terrible I am. Super. In the chat on there. Let's see. 8,000 unopened. All right, so 8 or 9,000 is normal. Oh my goodness. 149,515. I have a problem, right? Obviously. Okay, so again, while I am assuming that nobody wants more emails from companies or other items that you're getting, maybe I'm wrong. But yeah, we don't spam you. We're not putting you on an email list, and now we're gonna be like, hey, did you know we just put out a new video today? Are you struggling in your trading? Well, come on down today. See Bob's Discord channel chat. And you're like, oh, well, how much is the Discord though? I bet he's charging for Discord, and the Discord is free too. What is wrong with this man? What is wrong with this guy? Yeah, I get that a lot. Pretty much every 1-star review on our Trustpilot is one of our competitors posing as
on the NQ4.
As a person complaining, and the irony is well felt. It's hilarious. Let's see. The personal tropes. Don's got 10,279. Nice. There we go. Terzak, 34,000. We're moving up there now. Moving up. 5 email accounts on how many unopened. Well, that's just from my big one. Let's see. In my AlgoBox Pro account, I have 16,628. I don't want to go through the others, man. Let me see my one that I've had for forever. Oh, you know what's interesting? So my my Microsoft email, I have 9,296 unopened.
NQ on the 4.
So yeah, you know, it's not too bad. Oh my goodness. AlgoBox for 14,287. Okay, I'm done. I'm not looking anymore. Okay, we've got double enigmas here, and I'm hearing sellers, so I'm going to go ahead and do the enigma audio box sell, targeting the back of the enigma here. Should be around 20 ticks or so to the back. Yeah, about 21 ticks. We just hit strong sell.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 40.
So I'm hoping for a sweeper here as we come up into, if we come to the target, there's a red. I'm going to Dr. Seuss add on the position there. I did hear a couple of buyers step right there, so it's a little unnerving. I might half up this position. Looking to maximize the play opportunity. Seuss adding to position. Are we going to get to the back of the enigma?
Fib.NQ on the 9.
I'd like to hear sellers step back in if that's going to play. That's the first touch of strong sell we've seen, which means all four of the nerds are currently pointed down. And I've got an Enigma audio box was the original play here. Did not get to the back yet. Okay, there they come. There's 20 ticks. And because we have it with it, I am trying to hold out for a little more. I'm trying to see if we can get a 40, but I didn't get a great entry on it. But looking to see if we can get 20 to 40 ticks out of it. I'm already up on the day a little bit here, so putting on a little bit more of a time risk here. Might regret that. There they are. Okay, there's the target at the back. I'm being a little bit greedy, trying to hold through farther. That's the target. Okay, so it's 25. Can I get 40 out of it? And it bounced back up. My goodness, I am terrible. I am so slow. I missed the exit. That should have been way bigger than that.
Lower bands.
Oh my goodness. Oh, they're playing games with me. What's our time? 9:30. Oh, it's right at the open. Man, I am over here gabbing away, not paying attention. Okay, there's the open. Here, adding to position here, trying to scope it out. Oh, and then I take a loss on it because I can't close out properly. Okay, this is not good. I am terrible on my reaction time here this morning. Headshot up into the Enigma target. Trying it again. Butterfly, is it going to hold? We came back to neutral. So we touched strong sell, but we moved all the way back to neutral here. That's not good. All right, there's a level 7 PRZ cross, power PRZ cross right at king timing. Buyer stepping back in at the open. If I come to my POE, I'm going to have to half up here. Seuss.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay, hold red dot. Nope, crack the red dot. Okay, peeling off half here. That's dangerous.
Fib.NQ on the 40. Divergence down and
what a gnarly trap back there. Wow, man, I'm gonna have to play that back for myself to see how terrible that was. Getting ganked up in there. And there's another.
upper bands
7 into king timing. 7-3 on the high side. Gonna wait for the popcorn to get off the tape.
upper bands touch and board on the 89.
Okay, 9.2. All right, gonna go
On the 40.
in on it here with the 40s. Gonna go full max here. 9.2 high time frame, 7.3. See if we come back into our zone.
Double delta NQ.
We do.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40.
Come back to neutral. Did we go buy? We did not. We did not go buy side.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Fib.NQ.
There we go. Peel it half and close it out right there. Wow, back to 3K. There's my headshot. Doing a power headshot to add to position right there. Double dot power headshot. For the continuation, red dot on the 9s right there. Don't like that it just switch dotted. Want to see it break through. There we go. Are we still strong sell? We are still strong sell, so I'm trying to hold it out for a little more than 20 ticks. 20 ticks would be target 1 off of the 4s. They're flat bottoming there. Don't like that. 5.8, add to position.
Enigma long on the NQ4.
Yikes. Enigma. I hear buyers. I'll have to peel them. I hear no buyers.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 80.
There's the target. Add to position for a sweeper. Sweep the leg. Sweep the target. Come back down to my POE. I need to half position there, but I'm being greedy.
NQ on the 4.
I'm going to half it as it breaks through. Add to position, Dr. Seuss.
Two finger NQ on the 40.
Oh, they're playing the flat bottom. I'm hearing buyers. At the Enigma, this is a little bit dangerous. I'm hearing buyers. We're still moderate sell.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Want to hear sellers. Come on now. Break that dot. Break it. Strong sell. Thank you. Okay, back of the Enigma is right here. That's the target. It's 20 ticks. Still, again, being a little bit greedy here because I'm up on the morning. Trying to maximize the play opportunity. Might cost me here 7.1. Did that 7.1 turn it earlier? Did not. We're back to another 7 right here. I do like that we have speed, but I am not liking my capacity to execute here this morning so far. Break over that target. I will half up. I see neutral. Need to hear some sellers if I'm gonna be in a good spot here. Uh-oh, here comes king timing. Red dot, add to position. They didn't fill me. Add to position. Okay, trying to maximize the play. We broke through the green dot. Piercer. Okay, looking for 40 ticks. There's 40. Is there any more? Can I get 50? Yikes. Holding through. I'm hearing sellers on Enigma. Looking to continue on the Enigma. Adding to position. Trying to maximize the play opportunity. Back of the Enigma is the target currently. There it is. Come on. Keep going. Yikes. Double cross. Might be a DCR here. Come down. Thank you. Get to the back of the Enigma. Come on. Right here. Come on. Hit that white line.
Lower bands touch NQ.
Buyers relentless on NQ.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 9. Lower bands.
They are not letting it go. 50 ticks. Get back there. Oh my goodness.
Touch NQ on the 4.
Power headshot long. Still hearing sellers. We just went back to moderate sell.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Remember, NQ can be the first to move sometimes, so it's still dangerous here. I'm going to hit half if we come up my POE. Heard buyers step. Enigma short. Is this going to be the one? If I hear buyers, that will not be good, because remember, then it's going to target the other side.
On the 40. Fib.NQ on
okay, I'm going to peel half here at the dot.
NQ on the 4.
Yikes. Double dot higher time frame. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. All the way down. Thank you very much. $10,000 on the day. $9,887. Bots are up 1,100 on the day. Wow. Wild West on the open there this morning. Enigma, finally the 20.8 pushes it all the way down. Get the 9.1 to the back of the target, and I'm going to accept my 10K on the day. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'll take it. I will take that. Let's celebrate. That's what we like to do around here.
You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love you when you talk. No matter where I go with you, not here, it's just not home. No, I can't let go without you near me.
NQ on the 9.
Got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play.
Enigma long on the YM2.
Alrighty then. Oh, we got a Super AO right here. Alright, let's see if I can pull it over 10K on the Super AO. Targets filled. Get my 10K. There we go. Locking it in on the Super AO. That is a Super AO. Super because it's a ready DD on top of a red 9.2. That is the Alpha Omega Cross. So Super AO for the win to push us over 10K in the main. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Plus 1,110s. Add this always on top there. Not that we're always on top, but I'm just saying. If you think you can beat us, oh, bro, don't be playing. Don't be playing. You got jokes. You got jokes. What's today's date? 16th? Let's see how far that Super AO pushed to the White Cross. 98 ticks. There's the 100 tick move right there. Utimus. All right, added to the bonus. Nine to 9. The 9 to the 9 is about 160 ticks. GC's a little bit wider. Let me pull the YM chart over here.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 40. Lower bands touch NQ on the 40. Bib.NQ on the 4.
We have jagged on the tape. On NQ9s, big play coming. I'm going to look for some continuation. We are strong sell side. There's a red dot entry. Stop above the dot here. No, yeah, you could call this kind of a headshot. Those look a little bit too far apart to be a perfect headshot here. We are flat bottoming. I need to put, I'm going to add a hard stop above this dot here because this look, oh, and there it goes. Hits my stop. Okay. Yeah, I was like, if it snaps, I don't want their, when they flat bottom like this, they can absolutely just launch this sometimes. Yeah, here we go. Be careful right here. There's a headshot. They're breaking through, coming back into that zone from before. Came back on moderate sell. Okay. Took the risk and it got me. There's a PRZ right there. Let's see if I get an R2FA event along with it. Buyer's stepping in hard there. I'm going to hit Control R here and clean the screen here real quick. 9.2 to 9.4. The zone. Do we have any big buyers or big sellers? No. Okay, on the primary optimized range here, we have a big bear in here. If you see the big bear, type a 1. 2 if you're new. Let's mark this one out in the high time frame.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
He wants to go 250 ticks. All right, we're inside here. I need to move this over. Hold on. We're about to have a play here. I gotta get my fingers on the triggers here. That is a power headshot 5.3. Remember, the second and third cross is the best. So I'm going in full position there, but I want to see the second and third cross in the defense zone. Okay, there's a second one, adding to position here.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40.
Oh boy, they're cracking through. Okay, adding to position right there on the 5.
Upper bands touch NQ on the
Okay, coming back to my POE here. I'm gonna half up. Oh man, did you see how it snapped like that? It is being gnarly right here. They have not been super easy on the plays. We've got a double delta shift. It's too hard to call right now, folks. The lot of speed here today. This is one of those days where I said, like, if y'all come in on a Monday, we try to kind of slow things down here, but on a day like today, market is moving quick. I'm sure we have probably 10 a.m. news coming. Yes, we have 10 a.m. news. No 9:45. It's 15 seconds before 9:45. Oh, pushing up and over. I'll peel half. Nope, they came back through.
Down NQ on the 9.
Into neutral. Okay, getting dangerous here. Let's see if we're going to fake and bake. Want to head fake up into the prior high. And want to see some white crosses in here. Wow, whoa, big buyer just stepped in. 12.7. Gonna try to get it back to my POE. Might be the only spot I get to try. Big red dot up top on the 9s with a 6.4. Big bear in there on the high time frame. Needed to mark this in red, so I'm going to mark it up here.
Divergence down NQ on the 9. Upper bands touch NQ.
Bulls stepping in big time here. 9.6. I got to come on. I got to add to my position here, bro. All right, headshot up top.
On the 4.
Going to go full max at the 50. At the prior high. Coming up fast. I don't think it's going to last. It's 9:46.
J hook long NQ on the 4. Upper bands touch NQ on the 40.
Wild morning here so far.
Dot NQ on the 9.
Another dot on the 9s into a zone from yesterday.
Double delta NQ on
there we go to a 6.8. Wish I had more bullets to fire here. Let's see.
Double delta NQ on the 9.
Missed my POE by a hair there. Not executing perfectly here this morning at all.
Double delta NQ on the 40.
8.2. Come on back through here.
Enigma long on the NQ3.
Okay, gonna peel half at the 16.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
70, 80, 90. All right, I'm going to take it at 100 ticks there. That puts me at 11K, closing up the bots as well. Now the bots at 6,420, adding in on that one. When I'm out of bullets on one, I add to the other. All right, now remember high time frame. Here's how it happened right here. Went to the 6.4, 6.8. There's the big red dot, ready DD shift. The double delta shift is right there in front of it. Make a note of this. This was very powerful, super awesome, beautiful play. I mean, it looked like it was tough, but that's, I mean, love that, love that. Up top, high time frame. This was why this zone was important, because even if they're coming back out of it, remember what I said? They gotta let them out. Yes? Where's Mr. Hendricks? Mr. Hendricks, we're letting them out, right? we're squared on knowing what the difference between letting them out and hitting their targets are, yes? Beautimous. Okay, marched their way up and slapped it back down in there. So the jagged on the tape that we talked about from before, right there, jagged on the tape twice, one there, right? Big run up and then slam down. Yes, big red bear in here again, right? So we need to mark this bear as well. This is a bear from a higher time frame. Now we have one here on the slightly lower time frame. Yes. So want to mark this leg. Actually, I'm going to do Control R, remove all from other prior days right now. And this is the important new bear right here. Okay, and where does he want to go? 250 ticks down below. Yes.
Short on the NQ on the 4.
All right, market moving without me.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
This is what this is what happens to me when I'm out here teaching and training. Like I feel the obligation to make sure that y'all know, and I enjoy it. I want you guys to know, so I take the time to do it. But that costs me a lot. Definitely could have rocked through as they're just absolute smackdown beatdowns there. Big red bear coming in there, looking for 250 ticks down below the center of the mass. Yes. And again, high time frame. We called it with the big bear inside. They were going to head fake them up, get everybody off sides. There's retail trapped, and then they're going to slam through their stops all the way down to push the position and their price points for the bear. Still got 10 minutes before the 10 a.m. news. Into strong sell. All four of the correlated instruments rock into the downside.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 9.
Wrote that big bear for 115, Pete. Nice. Nice.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 89. Double delta NQ on the 4.
Yep, that was a fun one. I know it doesn't seem like it. You might be like, oh well, you know, it's if you like the easy stuff, it's cool. It's sort of like any other video game. Sometimes the challenge makes it more fun. That was definitely a challenge, and I kind of enjoyed it. Is that weird?
Double delta NQ.
All right, there's a Super AO. I'll jump in on the Super AO right here. It's a 5.8. We had a 5.3, turn it from before, and there's another 50 ticks, 13K from a Super AO. Let's go. Super AO for the win. FTW for the win. Super AO down to the next one. 92 ticks. Basically a 100 tick move like that. Beautiful. Captain Price, you like it, but you were just waking up? Yeah, it would be nice if you had been up a little bit. I've been up this morning a little bit earlier, working on one of our server clusters there in the Azure environment. So was up early this morning. Yes, please. Let's see, are we up over 20K? 60, let's see, 6,420 plus 13,3. It's close. It's close. Eddie went to 19,007. Thank you. Eddie's always reading my mind. Thank you, sir. It's like, how far away am I from 20K? I hate the fact that it's within $400, right? I got a $400 superstition right now. I'm going to try to not bet against myself here, but that does not bode well for me. I am $400 away from 20K. My goodness, what do I do? Should I just stop the stream now? What time is it? All right, let's catch our bearings here. Hold on. $400 away from 20. Okay.
On the NQ4.
Let's play the theme song for that one.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40.
Oh, the superstition. Left hand buy, right hand sell. I'm hearing buyers on the tape on an Enigma. I can't get myself to do it. We are. It needs to be absolutely perfect right now. Otherwise, I'm going to be giving it back because it's just how it works with me. 5 point. It's a super AO. I need to press the button. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it just to disprove it. I'm going to just do it and not think about it. Here we go. Full position. $400 away. I'm going to change this to dollars. There's 310. I saw 310. There's 390, 400, 500. Nope. And it's popping up. Oh, it had it for a second. Nope. And there it goes. Nope. Is it going to come? Oh, it's a super AO. Come on now. Give me my 400. Is it going to do it? Is it going to do some giant run up here? There's 400 again, 7 to 1,000. I'm being greedy, trying to hold on a little bit more to just break the superstition. Here it is. Oh my goodness. Here comes the superstition again. A perfect, I want to say it's perfect super A. It was a delta shift. It was a delta shift. I'm adding on the 5.2 DCR. Okay, here it is. Is my superstition going to crack me again? There's 450, 455, 1,000. It's so fast, it's hard to react, even if I wanted to start to pull it. Like, there's no time for me to think on it. I should be using an ATM to just... That's what I should have done. I should have done the Superstition Buster, shouldn't I? I didn't use the Superstition Buster. Y'all remind me. It's been so long since I had to deal with the Superstition scenario. Yikes, there's a white cross. Big play is coming. Are we coming up? Yep. There's the shift. Giving it back. Now I'm, instead of plus or a distance of 400, I am down 4K from the target. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I have no idea why I'm laughing. I've got psychotic problems. All right. I'm adding to... Oops. I meant to be adding to position, not taking off position. On a 9.1 with a cluster. With a cluster. Oh no.
NAHB housing market.
And the superstition strikes again. It is a strong superstition. All right, let me count ticks here. Let's see where we're at. Okay, now it's 100. 13.3. Adding to position.
Double delta fans.
Up on the day. Almost 20K. Giving it away. At 40. Come back to POE.
Touch NQ on the 40.
on the 13.3 with an Enigma. Halving up position. Can I get my 400? Can we get the 400? There's 48 ticks. Can we get 50? I'm hearing sellers. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Get you zoom! Woo! And continues with the trickiness. Continues with the trickiness. But come on. Come on. So juicy. So juicy. Look at that 13.3. Locking it down. Knocking it down. All the way back down.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, chaos abounds.
That's what I'm talking about. Get you some.
Bring back some old school right there.
You lack the patience, friend.
Yeah.
You can't touch this.
Okay,
Look at this guy.
stop it.
I love it.
Fib.NQ on the 40.
Congratulations.
Oh my, oh my. Yeah, boy. Gonzalo. Let's see. He said, bought AlgoBox on Monday. It's my first day trading confidently and positively. Your software is amazing, man. Congratulations. So many years and so much effort. Oh, thank you, Gonzalo. Man, that's so nice. That is so nice. Thank you so much for that. Eddie, can you get a screenshot of that,
Fib.NQ on the 4.
that nice kind note there and pop that in our, we kind of got like a little super testimonials section that I don't really use enough, but thank you for that. Seriously, that means a lot. Thank you very much. Yeah, boy. Should I press that one again? That one is kind of fun. We haven't done that one in a while.
Yeah, boy. Left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.
Y'all, it's Shiggling in Space 2.
Wow.
We're just having a little fun. Just having a little fun. Play the game. Play the game. Approach the markets like a game. I mean, you don't have to, but that's what we like to do. Eddie was already on it. Oh, dude, you're so awesome. Eddie knows what's up. Steady Eddie.
NQ on the 4.
Seriously, shout outs to Eddie. What an amazing member of our crew.
NQ on the 4. Double Delta NQ on the 40.
I think there is isn't there a common trope or platitude that says the best things in life are free? I've heard this, you know, my brain kind of has this when I hear that platitude or I think about that platitude. But it's one of those, it's like another platitude that also, like, okay, let's talk about other platitudes real quick here that bother me while we're sitting here in the middle of this mess. Okay, if you'll bear with me for a moment. This is very weird stuff, but they are collecting hard, man. There is going to be a big move coming. It is coiling up like a boss. They're getting people off sides here, and it's on the move. Remember, fast favors the bears. Right? Slow favors the bulls, fast favors the bears. So if I had to take a default direction, I got my finger over the sell. You know what I'm saying? The other one, when they say you can't walk and chew bubblegum at the same time, seriously, I want to know, show of hands, can you walk and chew bubblegum at the same time? And I'm not saying everybody, I'm saying you. You personally, in the chat, can you walk and chew bubblegum at the same time? Is there anyone who can't? And help me to understand, like, is that actually a thing where people are chewing and so they can't take steps? Is that really an actual thing?
On the NQ4.
Because that's another one I don't understand. What do you mean? Some of us can walk and chew bubblegum at the same time. Who can't do that? Who was the first person that thought that was hard? What is there a thing about that? Like left-handers or something? Like, what is the deal? I don't know. I don't understand that one. I also don't understand this deal of the best things in life are free. Okay. Can somebody give me an example? Now, that one is one that I'm like, okay, that's probably debatable. I bet there are some things that are free, but I would actually challenge some of that, because like the things that I think about that people think that are free, I believe they had a cost just because you didn't have to pay for them, someone else did. So help me out. What's a really good thing in life that supposedly is free? Democrats can't walk and chew bubblegum at the same time. Best things in life are free. Let's talk about that. The best things in life are free. Wait, what did you mean by food, Missile? When is food free? Food is definitely not free. Let's see.
FIP.NQ on the 40.
No, I knew you were going to say that. Look, somebody said this to me recently. Accepting Christ as your Savior is free. Dude, that is not free. Salvation is not free. Jesus paid a heavy cost. Like I said, you actually make my point that Jesus had to pay a extreme level price for your salvation. You might say, well, it's free for me. No. I mean, literally, when people say the best things in life are free, that is not true at all. There's a massive cost to anything in life that is good, in my opinion. There is a cost to those, whether you paid it or not.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 40.
H2O, water. I think we take water for granted. Is it a best thing though? Like, is anybody in here like their favorite thing is water? Just in general, you know what I mean? I'm talking about when they say the best things in life, right? So, but yeah, true. I think technically water is free, although there is a movement starting over some muptards in the UK that are trying to instill some form of payment for water, and then they're going to have you pay for breathing, your carbon footprint tax that's coming. In the UK, you've already got digital IDs. If you don't believe the Bible is true, I got news for you. The Bible's already told you what's happening in the UK and other things that are coming. It's going to be, I mean, just prepare. And the best thing you can do is, seriously, the free gift that was paid for you, make sure you have accepted that gift, because it does require an acceptance to have the freedom, to have the salvation. Make sure it is a simple thing to do. Someone paid it for you. Don't be like some of the people, like even recently, man, I gave somebody a significant sum of money and they did not even give me a thank you. Actually, it was twice. One with one person who is literally tight in here in the crew. It is amazing our capacity of individuals who are just so self-centered and so, what's the word?
FIP.NQ on the 4. FIP.NQ on the upper bands touch.
What's the word when you entitlement? The self-entitlement is wild to me. Okay, I need to take that. I'm so far behind on this entry. I needed to get in on that power headshot there. We got a red dot coming in on the 40. Okay, so I got a structure at the top of this bear as well. Oh, we switch dotted right there. Okay, so it's a little bit more dangerous. Again, I feel like every play I've taken here today has Not really many of them have been easy. The early morning, it was, yikes, first time we've come back into moderate buy, and you guys know how these bulls have been. And we're coming back to my POE. Should have peeled half right there, but...
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay, so let's talk about this. So this is what I mean by, look, I just call things like they are. This is why people either love or hate me. Okay, what's funny is if you go and look at, again, in Trustpilot, I'm going to bring up the 1-star reviews. So it's never people saying that the system doesn't work. It's always a personal trope on me. And it's because I just call things like they are, and people don't like that. Okay, now some people do. Some people can absolutely appreciate me calling things like they are. But I'm going to call out this retardation, right? Harjit Sahoto. Okay, he's saying that it's not implemented in Parliament right now, and yet at the same time they're literally telling you, it's like, no, I live here, no, digital ID is not in the UK yet, they are trying to introduce it. I live in London, UK. The words were, by the end of this Parliament. Do you know what that means? Do you know what that means? Like, that's just what, but the people love to argue about stuff. Like, I don't want to argue with you about it. I'm just trying to tell you, but what is it about conversation and truth that people just cannot stand it?
Enigma short.
But you know what's funny is, like, there's a proverb that says that a wise man sees trouble coming and hides himself from it, but a fool sees the danger and carries on as usual and suffers the consequences thereof. That is a proverb. Now, whether you like proverbs, I don't know. I'm just saying, like, it kind of backs up my point that this is nonsense to sit there and try to argue the point. Do you want me to play the clip for you? It will be required for you to work. And when it starts with the work, then it'll be required for you to pay. And then if it required for you to work or pay, I am just telling you. They've got people in China who are being turned off moment by moment. Yeah, and I know that y'all aren't seeing it because, you know, well, what programming are you tuning into? Programming. As a programmer, like, I'm literally writing if then else statements, and you're like, oh, I'm watching my television. What? My tell me a lie vision so that I believe it. Oh, that's right. We don't watch television anymore. We're scrolling on our phones. They've got you right there in your little black glass right here, right? Oh, yes. Check me out in my black glass. It's a great idea. I'm going to give you a hypothetical of what someone else, not me, someone else might suggest. That you make as much money as you possibly can right now while you can, and convert those dollars into things that will be your basics of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. What is Maslow's hierarchy of needs? Food, shelter, clothing, water, and then move up the pyramid of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, okay? I'm going to say someone else said that. I just heard these things. All this is for entertainment purposes only. I'm just a conspiracy factualist. I mean, conspiracy theorist. I mean, conspiracy, we know what was going on before it happens. What? What are you talking about? What?
Enigma long on the RTY2.
How many of you, just, again, this is a hypothetical conversation, but here's the question. How many of you believed in Q? How many of you don't even know what I'm talking about?
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Some people might know it by QAnon. How many people were falling for QAnon? Let me just give a quick rundown of, again, it's just strictly opinion of somebody else, not me. I'm just running a YouTube channel here showcasing some software. But Q was likely a psyop to get people to wait. The people who might actually do something to stop something were like, don't worry, Q keeps telling us, just wait, your savior is coming, we'll take care of everything, just wait. Just wait. Don't worry. Everything's under control. Don't worry. Everything's under control. So all the people who were tuned into that were people who would probably do something about the crazy stuff that was going on. But, you know, just wait for it. 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 Something called controlled opposition. Now, you know, they don't teach that stuff in school. They don't teach it anywhere. It's going to require discernment to get out of the next series of things that are coming. Hypothetical. This is all hypothetical. This is just entertainment purposes only. YouTube. Entertainment purposes only.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
I'm super not serious. I'm just some crazy guy on the internet pressing buttons, playing a video game. Operation Trust They. Coincidence factualists. Yes. Completely. Okay, so the move was to the short side as they wound it up in there. Like I said, when it's fast, fast favors the bears. Yes. Slow favors the bulls. Okay, we got a super AO just came in here on the 40, so let's be careful right here. It's a level 3-4. 3-5 earlier just got chewed straight through, so I'm not really concerned with it. Last time they popped up a little bit and then continued down. Just play like we normally play.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 89.
Is what my intentions are. We've got zones marked up. They went to 250 ticks.
Double delta NQ.
There's again, not my opinion, just saying this is just sharing information that is hypothetical, but nobody needs to look into any Charles Church.
Long NQ on the 4.
Situations, because don't worry,
Lower bands touch on the 89.
Candace Owens has got it covered for us, right? Don't worry, Candy's taking care of it for us. She's doing all the research. She's doing all the. She'll get to the bottom of it. She'll get to the bottom of it. She's literally tells you straight up, like she says, "I'm one of the Masons." At Turning Point. And if you don't know about the Masons, I can't. I can help you, but you would have to want to know
Enigma short
the truth.
52.
Controlled opposition. Candy's taking care of it, so nobody else is going to look into it. Don't worry, she'll get to the bottom of it. He was his best friend. Trust me, she's not in on it. She's not the controlled opposition. No, she couldn't fake it like that. No. She's not making us wait. No. We're not all tuned in to wait, so we don't actually look into or do anything while they're concreting over all the area to make sure that nobody can do any investigations. Nope. I can typing.
Long on the RT.
It's really funny that we have these our children, our children's children, and these days, you know, we've got it's weird for me because I'm an old guy. All right, here's a super AO. I'm gonna give that a slap here. I come from the old school, so you know when I hear these things like, you know, carbon footprints and we got to eliminate carbons, and like I remember the day when they actually used to teach us that you know, we were carbon-based life forms. What does that mean? We're carbon-based life forms. So if we're carbon-based life forms, then it kind of means we're kind of made of carbons, like, right? And the CO2 that we breathe out, the carbon dioxide, what needs carbon dioxide to live? What breathes CO2? Green. They're like, well, we need to go green. Well, you know that CO2 is what greeneries need to live, and they thrive in high CO2 environments, right? Like big trees, tall trees, big green stuff. Like needs the green, like needs the CO2, and the CO2 that they want to limit is you. Have you figured that out yet? Totally entertainment purposes only, y'all. I'm just entertaining you right now because I'm sure you're all bored, so I'm just, you know, making stuff up as we go on the fly here. Completely entertainment purposes only, obviously. Let's see. Headshot up top. Having to go full port again at the top of the zone. We are back inside of the bear. Are they going to defend it? Let's see here.
Double delta NQ on the 4. Upper bands touch NQ on the 40. Double delta NQ on the 40. Fib.NQ on the 40. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 9. Divergence down NQ on the 40.
Yeah, you know, they're all, but they've got us, they've got us, oh, is it self-culling if we're eliminating carbons? Are we eliminating the carbon-based life forms? Just hypothetically, just a hypothetical question, just asking questions. Do they want you to stop breathing your CO2? They want cows to stop farting. Where do you go next after you stop all the farts? Like literally asking for a friend. I had a friend ask that question. Not me. I mean, I don't want to know. It's not me, bro. I'm just here for entertainment purposes, talking about random funny topics that are completely hypothetical, obviously.
Enigma short on the NQ.
The fart control. When do they start coming to you know, plug you? Because you're tooting too much. Just a fun conversation. Just having some fun. It's all entertainment. All entertainment purposes only. Every dollar today has been a battle. It has not been a easy, straightforward battle here today, has it?
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Oh, we're talking about trading. Carbon trading. Yes. What are we trading the carbon for? You cannot erase, you must replace. Who's being replaced? What are they replacing you with? Entertainment purposes only, just a question.
Fib.NQ on the 9. NQ on the 4. NQ on the 9. NQ on the 40.
Thanks, Brian. Put in a little Trustpilot review. Very cool, very cool.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40.
Okay, there's my 11. Let's see. Don't break that 11. Don't you do it. Prior high. Right up above. They going for the prior high. Hopefully they're going to head fake that. I'm hoping that everybody's gunning for it so it doesn't. That's my hope. But we have hit strong buy now. And big buyers stepping in, trying to push it to the high. There it is. They're pushing to the high. There's another 11. And there's full port max again. Yikes. This one might not be good. This time of day, we're 7 minutes. I didn't take my coffee break there. We're having too much fun with our entertainment purposes only conversations here. Might not be advantageous. Prior high, here it comes. Ticks away from prior high. R1 way up there.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40.
Mega late Nate, come on. Let's go. Let's go. King timing. Please don't pop up right here. No, the bat held. Yikes. Okay, a simple PRZ holding as a structure on king timing. Not good.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40. Double delta NQ on the 4.
Man, that is a gnarly trap back there. Into prior high. Gartley. It's a super Gartley. That's touch 1. That's touch 2. Want to see touch 3 for it to hopefully come down. I don't want to see a breakthrough to the upside. I want to see a triple tap up and a drop. I want to see this drop all the way through this bear zone. Somewhere here to at least the 3.8 would be nice. If they're not going to go answer marching. We came up here fast, so I still have the theory that they came up fast, not going to last. There's a high time frame, 4.3 on the high side, hoping that that is the play. Okay, can't see my screen charts there, and I missed my opportunity to peel half at my open, but I hope you guys have got something from it anyways. Okay, so should have pulled half there as it touched. I was too busy shifting charts around.
NQ on the 9.
Because that could have been my only shot. Or speaking of getting out of something. Okay, here's the power headshot on the high time frame, but if it cracks, got problems. Yikes. Yikes.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Come on, double dot. Drop it.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Natural gas storage. Fib.NQ on the 9.
Headshot long. Bulls maintaining their control. Switch dot. Oh my goodness. All right. I got to get my head in the game here.
2-finger NQ on the 40. Double delta NQ on the 4. Upper bands touch NQ on the 4.
100 ticks.
NQ on the 9.
Remember what I said? I want to see it go all the way through. You're going all the way through. There it is. All the way through. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Up about 31, 32K on the day. On the day. Beautimus.
I've got balls of steel. Another one. And his name is John C.
Lower bands touch NQ.
Coffee time.
All right, so as anticipated, like what I was saying, that this happens a lot. Okay, watch that prior high. Everybody's looking at it. Everybody knows it's there. Okay, so everybody's like, oh, girl, it's going to prior high. It's going to prior high. Brian, it's the perfect trap. It's the perfect trap. And there's what happened, right? And then they fill them up. They get them going, get them off sides, and then carnage, right? Look at those 11s. Remember, when it's over 10 on the 4s. Now, on the 1s or 2s, if you probably are looking at this on a lower time frame, this is going to be like 18 to 21 on these. It's like the equivalent of an 18 to 21, which I'm almost always going to reverse. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know. All right. So we're coming back up here to this 11. I'm going to press an F6 here. There's where the 11 tap touched. There's a 10.9. I'm going to add to my position and get short again right here on a 10.9. There's an 11.2 right up here, so I've got some space for the ace. There's 30. There's 40. Remember, on this time frame, I'm looking for 40. I should have grabbed the 40 bag right there. I didn't. Seuss.
Two finger NQ on the 40. Fib.NQ on the
headshot. Please crack. Come on, give me a piercer. Nope. Popped up. King timing. Come up to the 11.2.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Every dollar a battle today for me.
Divergence NQ on the 89.
Okay, there's the 11. Need to hear buyers step off the tape. Still hearing popcorn.
Double delta.
There we go. Super AO with a mega late Nate. Super mega late Nate right there. Hopefully, once again, them gunning for prior highs, and I'm hoping that will be a disguise for the drop. It's now 10:30 on the dot, so I should be coming back from coffee time right now and looking at this. So, making the mistake of maintaining plays during the coffee time window of 10:10 to 10:30, and having tougher plays because of it, quite frankly. Buyers all over the tape. Poppy, poppy, popcorn, nonstop. They want to hit that prior high.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Hopefully a lot of retail looking to gun for that, and they take away their fun. 8.5 on the 9s. Going to be a significant level. I'm going to put a white line in here as well, and I want to make it thick later on. This is going to be an important point. If it's not right now, it will be later today. That spot right there, that is huge. 8.5 in the bear zone.
Fib.NQ on the 40. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4.
Oh boy, king timing. 7.5. I'm hoping they dodge the prior high. What I don't want to hear or see is them start buying through the prior high. That would be bad for me, for sure.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Okay, there it is. There's the DCR. It's a super DCR right here.
Touch NQ on the
Super
4.
DCR. Full port. YM. Okay, keep an eye on the YM here. Oh, I need to keep this always on top. Thank you.
Upper bands touch NQ on the
Okay,
4.
YM sitting on its ropes. What's the ES doing? ES floating. Actually, ES is more important. I'm going to bring ES over here. Just keep this in view. Remember the way, whichever way ES points, NQ goes. Yikes. Don't point up. Cut it out. ES, turn around. Turn for me. High time frame. Also have a 4.9 here. This is going to be a major area either right now or later. They could totally run this. I don't like it. Right up under the prior high. I hope they keep head faking it.
Fib.NQ on the 40. Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 40. Fib.NQ on the 40.
ES is pointing up. That's not good. As ES points, so NQ goes. There she goes. Prior high is ticks away. It's a great place for them to head fake it. Let's see if they're going to head fake it. Or if they're just going to go for the super run. And that is not going to be fun.
Double delta NQ on the 9.
Red ready DD on the 9s.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
There's prior high touch. 7-8 coming in. Oh, boo. Giving back my big day here.
Double delta
Got
NQ on the
all the reasons to hold it.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
That's going to be a pain.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40.
Oh, there's the run up to
Fib.NQ on the
R1, R2. That's a 15.5. That is massive. All right, I'm going to add in on my bot account here. Cluster on the 3s. 15.5. I would like to be adding here, but I'm out of ammo on the main.
Enigma short on the NQ4.
Pick some off right there.
Upper bands touch NQ on the
Popping up into a white cross, hearing buyers, waiting for them to get off the tape.
Fib.NQ on the double delta.
Wild push into another. Oh my goodness, they are stacking them.
DCDM NQ on the 4.
Double cross on the 3s into this cluster. Back into red territory on the day. Terrible.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40.
Right in front of R1. ES still pointing up. That's our expanding wedge. You're not surprised, Captain Price? Captain Price knows. Okay, white cross on the 3s. What's the time? 10:40 in a few seconds. Okay, ES finally pointing down. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm going to close that up there on the bot account. Came down, touched the golden rope. All right, so got that play up top on the bot. Now, question is do I have a spot to get out of this? That is the question. So I hear sellers. If I hear buyers, I'll start peeling.
Enigma long on the NQ4.
Yikes.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Yes, on top of its high golden rope. Yes, still pointing up. 5.2. Mega late Nate.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Oh, crack that dot. Yes. What you gonna do there, buddy? You're gonna keep pointing up. Okay, ES still massively pointing up here.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
6.4 up top. I'll start tapping some on the bot on that. Oh, switch dot. Yes, big strong leg up on ES there.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Divergence down NQ on the 40.
For him to get the popcorn off tape. Wait for it. 6.9. That is a 1, 2, 3 banger. Give me a structure.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40.
That structure's way up there. For that PRZ. ES, a big leg up here. King timing might be a spot where I can add. Let's see. Got no structure up here. And 1, 2, 3 banger. I need the next structure. King timing. Gonna get him off the tape.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40.
Still on the tape. Okay, they're finally off here. Nope. And they come back. Okay. Right when I think they aren't, they come back on.
Divergence down NQ on the 9. Double delta NQ on the 4.
Okay, there's a ready DD. I'll add in on a ready DD. Ends up being a dot. Divergence on the 9s. Divergence slice through on the 40. Big bull just stepped in on the optimized range. 1000 level bull on the 40. ES off the chart, literally off the chart. And press the button to bring it back on.
Double delta NQ on the 4. Upper bands touch NQ on the 40.
First sound of sellers at all. A ladder on the 89. Let's see. Do you see that coming into top of a crab there? Yeah, multi-PRZ. It's kind of 2 crab structures there. It's a little weird.
Double delta NQ on the 40.
Yeah, it's just pointing up. I haven't had financial juice on this morning, but I don't know. I missed a news event. What was the 10 a.m. news there today?
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Let's see. I see low impact news event coming in on the news indicator 4.2.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
What news? I don't know. There's a ton of news on the list today. There's a big red star at 1:30 today.
Two-finger NQ on the 40. Fib.NQ on the 4. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Thank you. Keep going into the crab. Dude, you can't even break a crab. Come on now. There you go. Break the crab. Stick some in the crab. There we go. Beautiful. All right, I'll close that out right there on the NQ on the bot account. Now the question is can I get some here? That's a 5. That's a 7.5. Please give me that continuation. Let's go. Let's go. R1. All right, I'll peel half here at the R1.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay, red dot coming in. Bad back. Hold. Don't crack it. Red dot was right here. F6 for the line.
Upper pass touch NQ on the 89.
Okay, need to look for target. Where's our target? Golden ropes down here, 5.5. Might be a spot I might look for.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Crack the dot. PS pointing down. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on down to prior high for me. Do it.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay, hold that dot. Thank you. Don't crack it. Yikes. Red dot cracked. Okay, press F6 right here. No, it held good. I think financial juice is not working. Refresh financial juice, still not hearing anything. Yikes, all the way back to my POE. That's no fun. Gonna let me slap it back down with my bot account? I'm for it.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Hey, Vinny, might be a stupid question. Oh, you gotta love it when something starts with, it might be a stupid question, but can you talk a little bit about your thought process and hold on to this position rather than close out and wait till a turn, then re-enter? Bro, like, roll back the tape. You can roll back the tape and go look to see what my thought process was on the entries. You can go back and look at it for yourself. I walked all the way through it, and coming back here and having me repeat it while I'm in the middle of a position is a little bit silly. Just roll back the tape. If you want to see it, roll back the tape. There's literally, DVR is turned on. You can roll back the tape and see exactly why. You can also see what we were talking about at the time. I was busy talking about other things. We were having some pretty fun conversations, actually. Could probably save your family's life, quite frankly. Entertainment purposes only. Were you here the whole time, or when did you join, Dilly? Because I haven't seen you say anything all morning. You haven't said hello, haven't said anything, but all of a sudden you want to come over here with your trolling conversation? That's cute. Is your name Dilly or Dummy? I'm not sure. Oh, Vinny, you're so mean. Oh, I know. People come over here and they're all mean to me and like, yeah, no, I'm supposed to be Jesus, right? Well, Jesus was perfect, thank goodness. I'd love to be better about it, but seriously, you guys have no respect. Zero respect. The concept of other people.
J-Hook short.
We like to talk about it around here, like, make a deposit before you make a withdrawal. Like, why not say something nice? Why not say, hey, how's it going, everybody? Like, the only thing you ever come in here to do is question me. It's funny. Let's see if you'll even answer this question. Are you a premium member with our system? Are you brand new? Okay, back to prior high here. Let's see. Should be peeling half here on the prior high.
NQ on the 40.
So learn to read higher time frames. Know that markets don't always just keep going up and up and up and up and up all the time. Came up fast, not gonna last. Is he gonna answer the question?
Fib.NQ on the 9. Enigma short on the NQ3. Fib.NQ on the 4. Short on the RTY.
Okay, here's another red dot.
Enigma short on the NQ on the 4.
Okay, coming in with an Enigma. Basically puts that stop right in the same place. 20.5 FTW. There's also an Enigma on the 3s.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 4. Divergence up NQ on the 40. Double delta NQ on the 4.
All right, so what I should have done there, peeling half at prior high, could have added back on the 20.5. So talking about what I should have done versus what I did do while I'm reading ignorant people's conversations in the chat. We're coming closer and closer to the day where I stop live streaming altogether. Like, it is a complete waste of my time. Do we even have 100 people hanging out here today? I don't even think we have 100 people. Let's see. Let's see how many Mike Schwartz has got here today. Old Mikey Swartz. Mr. Fake Nice Guy.
NQ on the 4.
What's Mikey at?
NQ on the 9.
220 people. Go hang out with Mike Swartz.
Bank of England's man says there could be more financial
Play the
evidence going
non-stop account blowout game. Pop and rotate. Pop and rotate.
Enigma long on the NQ4. Enigma short on the NQ3.
Bank of England's man says domestic price factors dominate external factors.
Back all the way back to PoE. Did not take advantage. Oh my goodness. All right, I am massively distracted from all the people in the chat. I'm out. Catch you guys tomorrow.
Double delta NQ on the 4.